Guys, welcome Low's Pressure Washing. My name is Barry. I'm your host. I appreciate you pulling up. If it's your first time, I'd love to have you. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the Patreon so you never miss that exclusive content, giveaways, and all the cool stuff we're doing over there. We're going to do the concrete behind us, and praise God. Hey guys, we just got finished. We got everything nice and clean. As you can see behind us, all the grease, all the diesel right there and over there is removed. All the gas is removed. All 12 fuel areas are spotless. We got the trash cans clean. Everything looks amazing. We're gonna head to the house now. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the Patreon below.